Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joe, and I'm Joe with the Circuit 123. It is currently 7:15 around that time, and basically I am recording for the Circuit 123. And I want to go ahead and bring up a topic today, and basically I want to go ahead and see what your guys' input on it was. And the topic for today is cloud computing. And basically, cloud computing is a type of computing to where applications and basically any use of the computer is no longer restrained by the desktop, meaning applications are no longer physically installed, or your operating system even may not even be physically installed on your computer. And now people, Microsoft and Google, the two main companies, they are moving in this direction of cloud computing. Microsoft, I believe, is just about to, or just recently released its first cloud computing platform, Microsoft Azure, and and Google is working and already is in the cloud computing business, basically with its Google apps and Gmail. Basically you can see that as a society we are no longer being bound by our desktops and have limits. What do you think about that? Do you think it's going to be a more safer way of doing things? Do you trust someone else to go ahead and take care of your personal information? Or on the upside, things have become more secure lately. I would be a little more concerned about this maybe 5-6 years ago, but now I'm a lot more secure and feel much more secure and safer about saying, yeah, let's go cloud. Hook my computer up to the internet and let's go. And Google Chrome OS is going to be the major game changer here. The Chrome OS is Google's OS. They're planning on launching an actual operating system for the computer, the x86 PC. And for those of you who don't know, x86 is the type of architecture that the processors are mainly built on. A type of architecture Intel or AMD specifically built x8 on the x86 architecture. And basically what this means to us is, imagine being able to start your computer and being able to just go. You turn on your cell phone and in about 5-6 seconds you're ready to go. You turn on your microwave, you're ready to go. But as in 2010, we're still a society that has to wait at least 30 seconds to a minute for Windows to boot up. Is that acceptable? I don't know. You tell me. But as far as I'm concerned, I think it's time to move in a totally different direction, and I think Google has the answer for us. I think Microsoft is actually really struggling right now as to how to go forward in this direction. Microsoft is built in has basically become a giant like IBM. I don't know if they've reached that status yet, but they're on their way to becoming this successful behemoth of a company that becomes so big it becomes kind of unknown. Nobody really knows what's going on over there at IBM. They're just involved in everything. I mean, look at Microsoft. They started out 20 years ago just on Windows. Their philosophy was to build an operating system that would work on almost every computer. Now you can go on their video game systems, go online. They got mobile devices coming out. It's just ridiculous what they got going on. It's pretty cool though. Pretty cool. I'm just trying to think. Is this really where we want to go? I'm personally am looking forward to it. Something different. Check out winsupersite.com. That's where I got my information about this, Google Chrome OS and stuff like that. They got a really cool podcast going over there with Leo Laporte and Paul Thurrott. So, But other than that, I just want to go ahead and get your guys' feel and take on that. You can go ahead and post in the comments. If you want to send a video reply, great. Alright, this has been the Circuit Joe with the Circuit 123. I'm signing out.